Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. In this video, I am going to explain class 10th chapter 6 triangles. So exercise 6.3. So it is a new syllabus for AP Cbse syllabus 2024-25. Question number 7. In figure altitudes AD and CE. AD and CE. So altitude ante a line is joining from vertex to opposite line segment meet at a point the angle is from 9 degrees. So altitude అంటే ఒక లైన్ ఒక పాయింట్ నుంచి జాయిన్ అయితే ఆపోజిట్ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ మీద ఎక్కడైతే మీట్ అవుతుందో ఆ మీట్ అయిన దగ్గర యాంగిల్ ఎంతమా 90 degrees. Next, intersect each other at the point P. So here AD and CE, these two altitudes are meet at the point P. So point, okay, show that at the point P, show that triangle AEP, AEP is similar with triangle CDP. Triangle CDP. So in this two triangle, so in this two, first they ask in the triangle AEP is similar with triangle CDP. So in this two triangle, here in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, in this two triangle, angle P is a common. Angle P is angle APE is equal angle CPD. ఎందుకంటే మా here AD and CE are intersect at point P. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle APE is equal angle CPD. Next, angle AEP is equal angle CDP is equal how much more? 9 degrees. So therefore, by using angle similarity rule, triangle AEP is similar with triangle CDP. So ఎలా similar no? By using angle. In any two triangles, two angles are equal, the third angles are also equal. So therefore, by using angle similarity rule, these two triangles are similar. So next, second one, triangle ABD. Similar with triangle CBE. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE. So triangle ABD, in this two triangle, angle B. Next, triangle CBE, angle B is common. So angle ABD is equal angle CBE. It is a common angle in these two triangles. Common angle. Next, angle ADB is equal angle CEB is equal 9 degrees. So AD and CE are altitudes. So therefore, by using angle similarity rule, triangle ABD is similar with triangle CBE. So ఎలా similar no? By using angle. So ఎలా angle అన్న angle B is a common angle, angle ADB is equal angle CEB is equal 9 degrees. Next, third one, AEP. AEP is similar with triangle ADB. So here AEP, AEP. Next, triangle ADB, ADB. So here ADB. So angle A is a common, angle E is equal to angle D. So here they are asking that AEP is similar to triangle ADB. So here triangle AEP and triangle ADB. So angle A is equal to angle A, or angle PEA is equal to angle D. Angle PAE is equal to angle BAD. Next, angle AEP is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. While AD and CE are altitudes. So therefore, by using angle similarity rule, triangle AEP is similar with triangle ADB. By using angle similarity rule, triangle AEP is equal to triangle ADB. Next, fourth one, PDC. Fourth one, PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So fourth one, triangle PDC and triangle BEC. So in this two triangle, angle PCD is equal to angle BCE. It is a common angle. Next, angle PDC is equal to angle BEC is equal to 90 degrees. So by AD is perpendicular to BC, next CE is perpendicular to AD. These two are altitudes. So therefore, by using angle similarity rule, triangle PDC is similar with triangle BEC. Therefore, hence proved. How we can prove more? By using angle similarity rule.